Dutch?
Yeah, I'm learning Dutch.
Oh.
Oh, my phone.
Did they open the water? Okay. Jesus Christ.
Video recorded. Not having sex.
Oh no, you keep that.
You keep your life. You keep your T cell count.
You keep your health.
You keep your health. You could lose not sitting around in a robe drinking chicken broth for the rest of your miserably short life.
You could lose your spot on a quilt.
Right. Lose that little square on the quilt.
I saw the devil past the light. Just thinking about the afterlife. I don't even care, you can keep me there. Holding up the flare, I needed a prayer. I got death in my pocket.
Up there, he went over to those lanes where he wasn't supposed to.
How do you know he's not supposed to?
Because those lines say you're not supposed to.
Okay, I got you. Look at this idiot.
Oh my goodness. He's the one that just flew past us.
Yep.
Now, Leonard Skinner.
All right, play green grass and high tides with your hands.
Yes. Sweet Home Alabama.
Hey, Sweet Home Alabama. If you're a musician, play this jug.
Neck, yeah. So, I mean, when you watch him on film, you're like, okay, this is, they're playing well together.
Willie?
Sounds fun, and also.
Gotta hate those last minute things. You're like, oh my god, I forgot.
The bed. Do you have your passport?
Wait, ain't that our little friend that flew by us? Oh!